Well, first of all, I'll try and get a new course sheet, but secondly, I'll inquire what was going on with that. I've never known that in a course number 3 before.
Well, I wouldn't admit that we lost our course sheet. Everyone saw
Yeah,
the usual.
what they thought go over there.
Judith, I've already... Judith let the bloody course sheet go over the side. That's my explanation. It's quite simple.
So when something goes wrong, it's always Judith. No, he's going to use that as his excuse that he had no course sheet.
I'm making a video.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Well, the place to look at the video is when we're sailing upwind and the spray is coming over the side of the boat, you know.
It'll be very shaky, but... Sorry?
I wouldn't be taking place today.
Yeah.
I think it's great style today.
You can email us the video.
Yeah, definitely. I've got 5 minutes worth of footage. Everybody doing nothing. Okay, now you can be me as well.
Yeah, David doing nothing.
Evidence that I'm on the
Right, guys, when we go around the smart, you know, everything's hard on.
We have some ways.
So, well, David, you have to look into the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Starring.
Sorry, David D. Okay, no, not too close. Where's the other guy?
What did you think when you got all those bloody accounts? I was surprised with Felicity when I opened
Pull this in.
Wow, we have someone to do something. Just rolled off your tongue. I said, what did you saw this? I'm like, I opened the mail. I'm like, I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah.
I have 1 or 2 invoices and they've all got my hospital name on them.
That's all twisted. That's why you got a problem. Oh, shit.
With all that camera on them. What did you do with it? What did you do with them?
Oh, I'm going to give it to David.
Okay, can we all get ready to try to...